As part of its institutional policy to nurture intellectual curiosity and foster knowledge production through cutting-edge research, Maryam Abacha, American University of Nigeria, on Thursday organized a premier expert session aimed at exposing researchers into the world of academic publishing. The event, with the theme Navigating the Landscape, Exploring Research Publications Platforms and Indicators, Case Study and Hands-on through Search Engine Optimization, was attended physically and virtually. In his presentation, the Director of Training and Placement at Central University of Haryana, India, Professor Dr. Akash Saxena, who served as guest speaker, highlighted the objectives of the intellectual session to include the engaging discussion about intricacies and various platforms available for research publication in leading international journals. Professor Saxena made a lengthy exploration of some important research indicators such as impact factors, citation metrics, and all metrics, and their significance in the academic world. Other areas extensively discussed during the session include the application of research publication strategies, as well as step-by-step processes on how to leverage search engine optimization (SEO) techniques to enhance the discoverability of research online. During an interactive session, the participants, both online and offline, used the opportunity to ask questions, shared insights and perspectives on many items discussed in the paper, especially the role AI tools play in academic writings. It was therefore cautioned that over-dependence on the AI tools without critical human oversight can lead to issues such as unintentional plagiarism, loss of individual authorship, and a decline in the quality of research work. Earlier speaking, the president of MAAUN, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, while commending the thoughtful choice of topic of the lecture, which he described as timely and contemporary, expressed hope that the session would serve as an enlightening journey into the world of research publication. In his remarks, the Vice-Chancellor, Franco-British International University, Kaduna, Professor Abdullahi Sabo, who emphasized the role of research publication in fostering collaboration, career advancement, professional recognition, and increased visibility, noted that it often serves as a requirement for academic promotions within the academia. On his part, the Director, Institute of Africa Higher Education Research and Innovation, IHERI, Professor Abubakar Sadiq Haruna, lauded the eloquence with which the presentation was delivered, as well as the expertise of the presenter on the subject matter. In his remarks, the Registrar MAAUN Maradi, Dr. Shaibu Tanko, reiterated the significance of the lecture and shared valuable insights into the topic discussed. In a closing remark, the Vice President Administration, Dr. Habib Awais Abubakar, underscored the significance of academic research in facilitating the overall learning process. The Vice President, who echoed the need for institutions to inculcate research culture in order to develop their academic standing, also cautioned against over-reliance on AI tools in academic writings. He thanked all the participants for sparing their time to attend the meeting and for their valuable contributions toward the success of the program.